Atlantis, Houston, air to ground 2 for OCA.
Megan, go ahead for OCA.
We are going to have KU in about 5 minutes, so we'd like to get set up to do a test to see if everything is back to working now that you swapped out the cable. So what we need is for you to verify that the MUX is on and the bypass switch is in bypass front.
MUX on, bypass switch in bypass.
Bypass switch in bypass FR, bypass front.
Okay, bypass front, it is, and it's in, yeah, everything's configured right.
Okay, great. And then what we need is for somebody to run in the Orbit Ops on page 12-20, section Charlie, step 3, to configure for 48 meg.
And Megan, was that 12-20 Charlie 3?
Station Huntsville on space to ground 2 for Bob and MDS.
Okay, we'll put that in work when we get KU.
Go ahead, Huntsville.
Yeah, the mouse in cage 1
now,
seems to be
we'll have KU in about 5
hanging
minutes.
out by the food bar. Is it possible you could knock on the cage window or shake the cage and then shine the flashlight back in there
okay, Megan,
so we can see if we see any movement?
Sure, I'll give that a try.
Thank you.
Huntsville Station, space to ground 2 for ultrasound.
Hi, Nicole, for ultrasound.
Hello, we just completed 4.2, and it looks like the scan has initiated, and we have not seen the message that shows up in Step 5's note.
Yeah, we were just being told that you have done an awesome job, and we think it's all fixed, and we're so happy down here. So we wanted to send up a huge thanks and appreciation to you, and you do have a go for Step 5.
Okay, great news. Step 5.
This is Mission Control Houston. Great news from on board the International Space Station, as it appears that the ultrasound device has been successfully repaired by Nicole, Stott, and Charlie Hobaugh. Again, this piece of equipment is an important part of the integrated cardiovascular experiment that is looking at how the human heart weakens during long-duration space flight, and actually exactly when, how fast that weakening begins. The ultrasound had been having difficulty for quite a while, the last several weeks aboard the International Space Station, and the shuttle delivered several computer cards.
Maybe we can get some ICV ultrasound
Atlantis,
scanning in
Houston on SUF. We've configured for OCA in the Step 6 Crystal Ops 248.
All right, we see you all smiling and laughing. Is that a joke, or are you for real?
No, we're all laughing and we're all happy, of course, that everything works. But seriously, if
Atlantis on 2, sorry, we had a short dropout, but I think what you said was that you configured Charlie Step 3, and we will take a look when we
all
get
right,
to
thanks
you.
so much, and we'll look into that and let you know.
Okay, and that's correct, Megan.
That ultrasound equipment, a device that allows a look at the internal organs of the human body, including the heart, as I said earlier, it's part of the integrated cardiovascular experiment that looks at how quickly and how much the human heart atrophies during its stay on space when it doesn't have to work as hard as it does on the Earth. In addition, the ultrasound equipment is available for emergency use on the station for viewing any injuries that a crew member might have that are of an internal nature, and so an important piece of emergency health equipment to have up and working again. Again, the crew